Hello, and today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the multi-vendor marketplace order edit plugin. Basically, by using this plugin, the marketplace vendors will also get the option to add and edit the customer orders for their products. The admin can allow the sellers to edit or add a new order on behalf of the customers as well. Apart from that, the sellers can add and edit any of the orders only for the existing customers there. And this particular module is useful in case the customer wants to increase the quantity of any item for an existing order or wants to change the delivery address of the existing order itself. So I'll be just taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin. So I'll be showing you how to create orders on the customer behalf, how to edit the customer orders, and lastly I'll be showing you how to edit the orders and how to basically configure the order edit plugin itself from the backend plugin configuration settings. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on the marketplace dashboard here for the marketplace vendor, and here I'm on the my order history section. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create a new order. So to create a new order, you'll have to tap here on the create new order button that you can see on the right hand side here. So let's tap on that, and that would bring up the create order section. So here the seller needs to choose the customer for whom the order is going to be created. So I'll be choosing the Veronica Costello, so I'll just tap on that, and that will bring up the edit order section for the same. So here you can see that we need to fill up some information. That is the very first info that we need to add is we need to add the products into the items that we are going to order for the customer. So for that, I'll just tap here on the add product, and that brings up the complete listing of the products there. I'll choose the products that I want to have within this particular order, and then I'll tap here on the top right hand corner, add selected products to order. Now you can see that the items have been added here. We can increase or decrease the quantity of the products as well, and from the actions drop down here we can remove any of the added products. So if I tap on the remove here, I'll choose remove, then I'll tap here on the update items and quantities button, and you can see that the other one product has been removed. So let's add one more product there. Let's add Crown Summit backpack, and I'll tap here on the add selected to the list there. So we have the Stripe shoulder pack and the Crown Summit backpack. Now coming down here, automatically the email is selected for the customer there under the account information, and now under the address information the seller needs to add the details of the customer there. So I'll just autofill them. So we'll have to set up the billing address and the shipping address. If the shipping is as same of the billing address, then you can check this option here that you can see. Now coming down, you'll fill the rest of the options here, and here you'll find the payment and shipping information section as well. So under the shipping methods, let's choose one of the shipping methods that we want to have for this one, and then we'll be choosing the payment method. I've chosen the payment method, the shipping method, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be tapping here on the submit order button to submit the order itself. So I'll just tap here on the submit order button, and this would create a new order on behalf of the customer there. So you can see that the new order has been created successfully on behalf of the customer there, and the order number is this one, and we have the Stripe shoulder pack and the Crown Summit backpack. Okay, now this was how to create a new order on behalf of the customers. Now let's see how we can edit an order on behalf of the customers. So I'll just take the same order that we have just placed for the customer. I'll tap here on the view order button. Now on the view order details page here, on the top right hand corner we have the edit order button. So I'll just tap on the edit order button, and on the for the prompt I'll just tapping on OK. So now when we are editing the order, when we are making the changes, now when we submit this up At that time, what happens is that the actual order that was placed by the customer that we are trying to edit, that would be cancelled, and another new order would be created for the same customer there. So here I've tapped on the edit order, and now what I need to do is I can change the quantity of the products as well. So let's change the quantity of the products here, and I'll tap here on the update items and quantities. So we have updated the product quantity there. One is for 6, the other one is quantity as 9. Now I'll scroll down here, everything is auto filled. Here we'll be choosing the shipping method, and here we'll be choosing the payment method. Scrolling down, here we can find the complete grand total. Now let's tap here on the submit order to submit this particular order. Okay, this the quantity exceeds the maximum 5 quantity allowed in the shopping cart. All right, let's do it once again. So I'll just go to the view order, and here I'll tap on the edit order. Okay on the prompt. That will bring up the edit order section. So here let's make the quantity as 3 and 3 for the other product. Let's tap here on the update item quantities. According to the customer, we have changed the quantity there. If the customer wants, we can also basically change the address information for the billing address and the shipping address. So for now I'll just leave it like that. So I'll choose the shipping method for the customer there. I'll choose the payment method. I'll scroll down and I'll tap here on the submit order button. Now you'll see that another new order would be created, and the previous order that we had placed that was placed by the customer would be cancelled, and this particular updated order would now be reflected there. So you can see that the new order has been placed successfully. Now if I scroll down, the already created order that was there was this one that had shoulder pack 1 item and crown submit backpack having 1 units there. Now we edited the order for the customer. We made the quantity as 3 for both of them, and now you can see that new particular order has been created and it's pending, and the previous one has been automatically cancelled out. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So for that, let's hop on to the admin backend panel. I'll be entering my username, password, and then I'll be tapping on the sign in button. That brings up the dashboard here. Now what I need to do is I need to navigate through stores, then configuration. Kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So you'll have to have that first, and then you can make use of this particular add-on for the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So here under the Webkul block, we'll go to the marketplace, and I'll scroll down here and I'll go to the marketplace order edit section. Now here we have two different configurations that need to be set up. One is enable order edit, and the other one is enable place new order. So if we choose a yes for then the sellers can edit the orders of the customers there. For the enable place new order, if we have chosen this as a yes, then the marketplace vendors would be able to place a new order on the behalf of customers. Otherwise, if you don't want that the seller should be able to create a new order on the behalf of customers, you can choose a no for that. And the same goes for the edit order or enable edit order. If we have set it as no, then what happens is that the marketplace vendors would not be able to edit the orders of their customers there. Now after making these two settings, you'll just have to tap here on the save configuration button, and we are done configuring the initial configurations of the plugin itself. So that was much about the plugin itself. That's the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace order edit plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidis.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day.